Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I flagged a possible bounce from the yellow dashed line near 111,000, with 109.3 thousand as the next level if that failed. Instead, price action turned complex, hinting at possible manipulation. Price broke below the blue trend line, hit 111,000 and 109.3 thousand, rebounded toward 111.4 thousand, then slipped to about 108.9 thousand before ranging near 110,000. Soon after, the same large entity that moved 24,000 Bitcoin days ago transferred another 10,000 to a different wallet. On the 1-hour chart, a yellow X signaled heavy volume activity often linked with engineered moves. The market rejected the bounce, broke below 109.3 thousand, and found temporary stability at the blue horizontal support around 107.6 thousand. Currently, price trades near 108.3 thousand. Wave trend suggests a potential bottom, RSI is recovering from oversold, and the MACD has crossed above the signal line, signaling improving momentum. The Fear and Greed Index has fallen to 39 now in fear. That compares with 47 yesterday, 56 last week, and 63 last month. Historically, such readings often align with selective accumulation during weakness. Looking ahead, the next FOMC meeting is 18 days away. The probability of a rate cut has risen from 75% to 86.4%. Lower rates typically improve conditions for risk-oriented assets. ETF data shows a net outflow of 126.7 million. Even so, IBIT and WisdomTree recorded inflows, suggesting ongoing institutional interest despite broader withdrawals. On the macro side, JP Morgan argues Bitcoin appears undervalued relative to gold. Volatility has fallen from 60% to a record low of 30%, the narrowest gap with gold on record. Their volatility-adjusted model places fair value near 126,000, implying upside from current levels. Additionally, a crypto quant study shows average Bitcoin deposit size on exchanges rising from 0.8 to 13.5 since early 2024, pointing to a shift toward larger, high-value participants. While that can add stability, history shows such phases sometimes precede distribution and corrections. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and subscribe with notifications on to stay updated. And see you in the next one.